Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Kava here, coming at you from Baltimore, Maryland. Back here, back in the big city. Well, actually, San Diego is a bigger city than Baltimore, but anyways, yeah. So just came back here. It's freezing cold, but hey, look, if you've got Kava, you've got life. If you've got Kava, you've got that warm blanket. So today I am going to be doing a review of a Kava I've never tried before from a vendor that I'm completely unfamiliar with, but I saw them on Amazon and I really wanted to give them a whirl. And this is a Happy Warrior Waka Kava. And this Kava comes in 8-ounce bags, and I believe they're about $30 a bag. Really, really beautiful packaging. First of all, just to kind of get that thought out there, and I love that little logo. Pretty cool. And they ship out of Honolulu, Hawaii. And the name of the company is Micronesia Imports, or the distributor, I should say. And from what I saw from the description on Amazon, this is a Fijian Kava, and it's a Waka. They claim that it has a very strong but smooth taste, so I'm interested to see what that's like. I'm a sucker for really good tasting Kavas, and kind of most importantly for me is that first word there at the bottom there, and that's Waka. We just got out of Christmas or the holidays, and we were wakaing in a winter wonderland, and it's one of my favorite holiday jokes is Waka in a winter wonderland. But for those of you who are just kind of randomly watching these videos and may not have seen them all, I've explained it a few times before, but the ingestible components of the Kava plant that are safe to drink are composed of the Kava roots, and in Fijian, in the Fijian Indo-Fijian language, Waka refers to the lateral roots, which are the fine kind of smaller roots that branch off of the plant and spread out, kind of like when you picture a tree's roots spreading outwards. Those are the Waka roots, and then the Lowena. So you have Waka and you have Lowena. The Lowena part of the root is the stump, which is kind of the hardier central part of the root that all of the Waka branches off of. And the reason that distinguishment is so important is because the Waka roots are stronger and have higher concentrations of kava lactones. So a lot of the times when you buy kava, you're actually getting a Waka Lowena blend, because it usually gives you a more balanced, lighter drink that's good for long sessions. Waka is like a pow, it's like a big hit of kava lactones. And I am always biased towards Wakas. If I'm going to buy a Kava from a vendor and they give me the choice between a Waka and a Lowena, I'm always going to see the Waka as the better value. For a daily drinking Kava, a straight up Waka might be a bit much, and you might want a Waka Lowena blend. But if you're really looking for that kind of heavy Kava sedating feeling, you're going to want to go for a Waka. So anyways, that was probably a little bit verbose, but I'm going to go ahead and knead this up, and I'm going to give you my taste impressions, and bula to the hula. So this is just to give an impression of the powder itself. It's a very beautiful, fine powder, and it smells really, really fresh. It smells so nice, so fresh, so clean. And yes, that's a kava plant in the background. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've got my kava here, and I wanted to put it in a clear bottle so you could see what it looks like. I just realized I'm holding my phone in a different direction than I was for the first part of the video. But that's all right. You'll get some variety of backgrounds. All right, so Bula to the Hula. I can already tell you it smells a bit peppery, a little on the peppery side. And that's okay. That's usually a sign of good Waka. So let's do this. Wow. Wow, that's really good. I have to say that I have never actually read a description by a vendor of their product that was so accurate. Because when I first read the description of this, it said strong, very strong but smooth, and that actually perfectly describes it. It is very strong. The peppery notes are like real. They make a big statement on the palate. Yet, it is very, very smooth. Incredibly smooth. Delicious, I would argue. Very, very delicious. And I believe this is going to be a bit of an ass kicker. I believe this is going to be a strong Kava. But I will let you know once I've let those Kava lactones settle into the old bloodstream. Bula to the Hula, and I'll be right back with that update. Now, one of the things I hate most about doing Kava reviews is that it's very rare that I come across a Kava that I don't like. Like, they're all pretty good. Like, they're all great in my book. I love drinking Kava, and Kava is Kava. But every now and then you come across one that really stands out. It really kind of hits you hard. And I can tell you, after just having like the equivalent of like 4 shells of this, it's a banger. And very, very stony behind the eyes, low gravity, kind of rooted to the ground kind of Kava. And check it out. It's totally worth checking it out. And I think you're going to love it. And it's going to put you in that right frame of mind that you're looking for. And I would love to hear what other people think. So when you do try it, shoot me a message or put a comment under this video. And I'll also put a link to this Kava under the video. You can get it on Amazon. Super good, super nice, very strong. Bula to the Hula.